Fraser Roofing here, helping out Habitat Humanity here in Noonan, Georgia. It's my hometown, it's where I grew up.
Hi, my name is Chris George. I'm the branch manager with ABC Supply. We were able to donate the materials for this Habitat for Humanity house behind us. When Robert Boggs with Fraser gave us a call to ask us if we were able to donate this material, we were happy to help. Fraser's one of our best customers, and when they asked us to help for this job, we are more than excited to help them out.
It is truly special when an organization like Fraser Roofing comes out and decides to get involved with Habitat for Humanity. We're helping the citizens of Coweta County achieve the dream of affordable home ownership, not only by building them a beautiful home and providing them with an affordable mortgage payment, but they take classes on financing, budgeting, escrow, credit management, even home repair, to provide them with the hard skills they need to thrive as first-time home buyers. And then they come out and do their sweat equity. They do 250 hours of sweat equity, volunteering on the house build, building their house alongside community volunteers. And when an organization like Fraser comes out and donates their time, talent, and treasure to put a roof on one of these houses, lowering our overall overhead and creating an affordable opportunity for these families, it means the absolute world to us. We couldn't possibly do what we do without partnerships like Fraser Roofing. They have been generous, upfront, forthcoming, energized to be out here. They even brought us out to their headquarters to talk to their entire organization about our mission, to drive some passion into the overall program. And we're really, really blessed to have this opportunity and this partnership, and we couldn't have done it without them.